Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So today I want to show you a product, one of the first products that I'm actually sponsored by, and that is a Shine Armor product. If you guys haven't heard of Shine Armor, they have multiple cleaning products for the exterior, the interior, the tires, your wheels, your leather, everything. And today we're going to go over an interior product that I got from them that we're going to test out, we're going to review, and I'm gonna give you basically what I think of the product. And I'm also, if you guys want to purchase it, I do have a discount code later in the video and in the description. So let's go. Alright, so this is the Shine Armor bottle that I got in. So it's an anti-static sun blocking agent. You can use on the vinyl, leather, and plastics inside the interior of your vehicle. Nanotechnology. So it's supposed to prevent like the dust and all that stuff from sticking back onto your vehicle. It is a matte finish, so it doesn't give you that super high glossy shine. It just gives you a nice clean look. So we're gonna go ahead and test it, but I just want to show you the bottle. And then it does come with 2 microfiber towels. I'll explain the instructions when we go inside. So let's go. All right, so before I go ahead and start demonstrating the product, I kind of want to show you the dash right now. And what it looks like, it is kind of dusty. It's not dirty, but it's a little dusty. So we're gonna see the difference in the shine. I do have pretty dark tint in the day, so let's see. Let me open the door, let some light in, so you can kind of get a better look. Okay, so, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna focus on getting some of this carbon fiber area. Probably we'll even try the steering wheel, and then we'll try the dash itself. All right, so first the instructions say to go ahead and spray directly onto a clean microfiber towel. So it does come with 2, so we're gonna go ahead and do the dash right here. So let me go ahead and spray it. Sure it's damp. Then we're gonna go ahead and wipe it. All right, and then it says quickly go ahead, you can either fold it or use another one, or we're just gonna use the clean one, and we're gonna wipe it down. Now let's take a look at the side that we did. Looks, you can see that matte finish, has a semi-gloss to it, more of a clean look, not that super shiny, you know, Armor All type of look. And I am gonna say it does smell pretty good, so it gives it a nice fresh scent, not like overbearing or like too fruity or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead now and just want to show you the carbon fiber area. See all the fingerprints on the screen, and that's the next part we're gonna do. All right, spray some more. Now we're gonna wipe down this area here, carbon fiber area. Let's go ahead and wipe the screen and see what happens. Okay, use the clean one. Wow, looks pretty good to me. I don't know if you can see that. Let me bring in some extra light. It's kind of cloudy day today, but left a nice matte look to the carbon fiber. And next, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean off the steering wheel. go ahead and knock out the steering wheel. One thing about the steering wheel type cleaners and stuff is I've used one before, and it left the steering wheel feeling kind of I don't know, slippery, and kind of you can feel like the cleaner being on there. So we'll see how this one feels to the touch. Last thing you want is your steering wheel to feel kind of funky when you're driving, trying to turn. So I think it came out good. Still has, you know, that clean look, matte look. Let me open the door, letting some more light. Not super glossy where it's like shiny, like you can tell you like sprayed on some tire cleaner or anything or something like that. That's really good. So let me see how it feels to the touch. So actually it does not feel like, so you can tell if it's slippery if I can't do this. So right here, look, see that? I have grip. That's like a, you know, that rubbery, whatever, leather type grip. My fingers are not slipping right off of it. So that's very good. So it's not a slippery type of compound that's on here. So that's good. And we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the dash and then finish off the rest of the piece of carbon fiber and down here, and then I'll show you how it looks in a sec. Rest of the dash. All right, so the last piece I did was this panel right here. Came out looking really nice. You can kind of tell the difference. Look how this one looks. Like I said, my car's not filthy, you know, but it does have a real clean, nice shine to it. It's not sticky or anything, so that's a plus. So that's good. All right, so there you go. We used the all-purpose cleaner from Shine Armor for the interior. You guys got to see the results. Really good matte shine. Smells good. Does not leave a sticky residue. So I'm extremely happy with it. If you guys want to get your bottle of this product or any product from Shine Armor, go ahead and check their website at shinearmor.com. Make sure you guys use the promo code DavidandHD to get 20% off. So you guys use that promo code on any products on their website, you'll get 20% off. So make sure you guys do that. The link will be in the description to this product and their website. So shout out to Shine Armor for sponsoring this video. And with that being said, stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed.